Ayun, so isang napagandang araw muli sa inyo. Ano po, so papatuloy lang natin yung lesson natin kanina. Ano kasi 5 minutes na putol. So ito na yung part 2 natin. Okay po. So rational equation pa rin tayo. Solves equation transformable to QE, which is the quadratic equation. Okay po. So tara, tuloy na natin. Next example. Ayun, number 4. Okay po, so we have 9 over x equal x plus 3 all over 2. So as you can see, mayroon na tayo dito mga binomial. Ibig sabihin may mga 2 terms na tayo dito na makikita. Like this. Okay po, at mamaya pa sa iba pang example natin. So how can we answer this kind of equation? Okay, so ang proseso ay nananatiling ganun. Okay po, so gamitin natin, pinaka-basic na dapat gawin. Gamit tayo ng color green na Mondo, Liama. Ayun. Okay. So, let us continue. So, we're going to multiply this. Okay. Applying cross multiplication. So, unahin na natin may mga x, ano? So, solution. Yan, sorry, nag-autofocus siya. So, x. Lagyan mo natin ito sa x. Then, x plus 3. Ayun. Ito yun, yung dalawang yan. Open, nilagay lang natin dito. Equals, ito. Okay, 9 times 2. So, nilagyan natin parentheses para makita nyo maigi. Ayan, yan yung pinag-multiply natin. Okay. So, this, next, okay, so, distributive property, ayun, distribute natin yung x sa loob ng ating parentheses, x times x squared, alam nyo na yan. Then, huwag kalimutan yung operation natin, which is yung addition or plus. X times 3, we have 3x, equals 9 times 2, very good, that is 18. So, what will be the next after we solve that? Okay, we're going to what? Okay, very good. Transpose natin sa 18 para makabuo tayo ng general form natin ay x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, we have x squared plus 3x lipat sa kabila from positive 18 maging negative 18 equals 0. Okay. Then, after that, ano na yung inyong gagawin? So, same process. Okay po. So, ayun. Maglalagay na tayo na dalawang parenthesis. Okay? Dalawang parenthesis. Kuha natin square root ito. So, we have x squared. Ayan. So, dalawang x. Okay. Paghiwalay lang natin. Ayun. Then, tingnan natin yung factor ni 18. Ano ba yung factor ni 18? Ano ba yung factor ni 18? Okay. Mga factor ng 18. Okay, ilista muna natin. So, ayun, negative 18. So, kapag nakita kayo ng negative 18, so, ibig sabihin, isang positive, isang negative yan. So, we have 6 times 3. Okay, so negative. So, para di kayo mahirapan, gawin natin yung positive 6. Saka, yan, negative 3. Ano pa? Factor na. Okay, we have 9 times 2. Okay, isang positive, isang negative. Positive 9. And then, negative 2. 18 positive times 1 negative 1, so negative 18 times positive 1. Okay, so makikita nyo kapag ang third term natin, kasi tinitin natin dito yung third term, okay, dapat yung factor ni third term, okay, ay ang magiging sagot natin o result natin is yun nasa gitna. Okay, gamit yung factor niya. So, ito yung factor niya. Negative yan. Okay, tandaan nyo, pag negative, dapat may isang positive at isang negative dyan. Okay, so since negative ang third term natin, negative 18, ito yung mga factor niya. Okay, so lahat yan ay, ang sagot is negative 18. So negative 6 times positive 3, negative 18. Positive 6 times negative 3, negative 18. Okay, so ang tanong nga lang natin dyan, ano sa mga factor na yan, pag pinag-add natin, okay, ang sagot is yung nasa gitna, which is 3x. Okay, so very good. So hanapin nyo, halimbawa, negative 6 plus 3, ang sagot, anong sagot? Negative 6 plus 3. Negative 3. Bakit? Mas mataas yung negative at magkaiba sila ng sign. Tama. What is positive 6 minus 3? Very good. That is positive 3. Kasi 6 minus 3 is 3. Bakit positive? Kasi mas mataas yung positive. Negative 9 plus 2, ano naman yon? Very good. So that is negative 7. Mas mataas ang negative 9, kaya negative ang susundin natin na sign. At saka magkaiba sila ng sign, so subtraction gagawin natin. 9 minus 2, 7. Positive. Okay. 18 minus 1, 17. Positive. Mas mataas ang 18. Negative 18 plus 1, Very good. Negative 17. Tignan natin yung second term or yung middle term. That is positive 3. Positive 3, ayun. Saan dyan may makikita nyo positive 3? Meron ba? Very good. So, that is positive 3. So, ang magiging factor niya dito is positive 6 and negative 3. Okay? Then, after that, we're going to apply the ZPP or zero product property. So, we have x plus 6 equals 0. Tapos, yung sa isa naman, x minus 3 equals 0. Okay? So, we have x. Lipat nyo na sa kabila. Okay? Or subtract 6 tayo. So, we have negative 6. Next naman, lipatan sa kabila. Okay, transpose. Or pwede kayo mag-add 3. Okay, so x is equal to positive 3. And that will be the value of our x. Alright, thank you for watching.